So what do you guys think? Should I like drop this red bow over here, or I should bring it down here? I'm kind of confused. I don't know. I feel like here is also cute. But I don't know. I feel this place complements the whole balls. Just say something in the comment section. Let me know what you think. But with this, we are done with our Christmas decoration. And this was the other design I did earlier today. This one, I used paper, and then just basically paper, fluorescent paper, A4 paper, then with this ribbon and glue. I was able to achieve this. Maybe my next life, I'm able to share the tutorial on how to do this. I'm going to drop a video. I might, I may not. So I would like to go off. So thank you guys for joining. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you love the tutorial. Next week, Sunday, hopefully I'll be able to give another tutorial on a different beautiful Christmas decoration. So which do you like this? I feel I like this. I like this. It's really really beautiful. Like, it's very easy to make. I didn't even expect it to turn out this way, but it's beautiful. So with this and with this and also this tutorial. So which of them? Where do you want this red bow to be? Do you want it here, or you want the red bow here? Which do you think is better? Say something in the comment section. Where exactly would the bow be better? Right here, up or down? Which is more preferable?